The SafBbcue 67670 Flavorizer Bars are designed as replacement parts for Summit 600 series grills, providing a perfect fit and enhancing the performance of your grill. Constructed from stainless steel, these bars are highly durable, resist corrosion, and contribute to long-lasting use, reducing the need for frequent replacements. The set includes 12 bars, each measuring 18.1 inches long, 1.7 inches wide, and 1.2 inches high, offering ample coverage for your grill. These Flavorizer bars serve multiple functions, from preventing direct exposure of food to flame, protecting your burner, to evenly heating your food for a delicious taste. With an easy installation process, these bars can extend the life of your old grill and even save you money by using less fuel. Priced at $74.99, these Flavorizer bars have received a review score of 4.4 out of 5, reflecting their high quality and user satisfaction.